truck right by my side. You got salad, you got soup, I got a Chevrolet. She takes me home after work, don't ever miss a day. She don't care what I am, she don't care what I ain't. She ain't no cheap pickup haul, she just needs a cup of cold paint. I love my truck, it's right outside. I ain't got much love, but I sure got a ride.